Hello everyone. Now I'm going to continue with the conditional statements. The next conditional statement we are going to see is the for loop. I'm going to open up with my new notepad++ and save the file as fact. Now I'm going to do the factorial program with the for loop. I'm going to save my file as fact.java. This is my file name as well as my class name. I'm going to import my header. Import java.lang. Lang.star is the default header package in Java. Import space java.util.star. Then my class name, public class space fact. After that I'm going to enter into my public static void main and then passing my value string args. Then after I'm going to declare the variables in int I and n, and I'm going to initialize my factorial value as 1. Then it is scanner space object for the scanner equal to new space scanner system.in. I'm going to get my value in runtime, so I'm getting the scanner value. Then it is my output statement, so system.out.println. Here enter the limit. Yes, this is how I'm going to enter my limit, and here I'm going to get the limit. N is equal to in dot next int. This is how I'm going to get that value into an integer. Then now I'm going to open up my for loop. For loop is a conditional statement, and here I'm initiating the value as 1. Then I less than or equal to n semicolon I plus plus. Here I initiate my I value as 1, and the I value should be less than or equal to n, and if so, while running the next loop it has to add up the I value to the next level. This is how the for loop will function. Here the fact which I initialized, I'm going to multiply that value with I, so that the loop will be continuously executed until the n reaches. This is what the concept of for loop. Then I'm going to print my statement system.out.println. Here my factorial is being. Then here I'm going to concatenate the fact value. Then I'm going to close my public value and my class. This is the major conditional statement which we use for most of the cases. For loop is majorly used and deal in a lot of cases. I have to then save mine and get into the command prompt with the proper execution of output. Here I'm going to get into the exact location where my program is held, and I'm getting into my batch file, and after that I'm going to compile my program. If there is an error, it will display it is no error, so we can get into the result. This is how we will do our running. Enter the limit. I am entering my limit up to 5. The factorial is 120. It's right. I'm going to enter my limit as 3 and the factorial is 6. Here in this output, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that's mine as a factorial, and here 3 into 2 into 1, that is the factorial. Here This is a program for Factorial with a for loop, and here is the output for that. Thank you for listening and see you in the next class.